Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Well, right now today I'm basically doing the luxury room tour. So we've moved into this apartment not too long ago and we're pretty much decorating as day by day. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, but I'm just doing today the only bedroom and partial of the bathroom. So right now what I have, this is basically me and my man's bed. So this is how the bed looks. Okay. The frame of the bed on top, and this is the bottom. It has the little glass thing right here. This is how the bed looks. Now if you move close to the bed, these look like diamonds on the bed. They're pretty nice. And also, it's like you can see yourself here a little bit, like a little mirror. So if you go closer, you'll see me with the camera. Okay, so that's the headboard of the bed. This bed, I like it. I like the frame of the bed. It's pretty nice. It did also come with some drawers and other stuff, but we chose just to get the bed only itself. Okay, and we purchased this bed for about $7.29. Not that bad. And everybody's like, oh no, why? This bed is actually very comfortable. We have a sheet cover on the bed as well. So there is a sheet cover, and this bed is very comfortable. It's very nice. Like, I like how it feels. You sleep very fast on the bed. Very, very fast. So now getting back to the room. This is how the room looks. And I'm pretty much just backing up a little bit. That's the lighting of the room. Okay. Now, this is an unfurnished tour of the room. So this is the window. This is the only window that we have in this room. And pretty much you can see the outside. Okay, and I do plan on buying a curtain. You know, I'm decorating this room as I go. Okay, this is the only place that I have right now just to put my things and stuff. So this is our desk area. This is what we use to pretty much put all our books and stuff, all our studies. It's pretty much a mess for now, but you know, our little music speaker, we put all our books and stuff over here. Okay, our biology book, psychology book, all these books over here that we have, because we're both actually attending school and working full-time. So this is the stuff that we do have. It's a mess, but I will be cleaning that up today. I literally just got home. So yes. Okay, so now when you enter in the room, I'll go ahead and go in the opposite direction. This is the doorway. Okay, this is the doorway of the room when you first enter. Excuse me. So these are the lights right here. This house, this apartment does come with a fire alarm. Okay, and that's the fire alarm right there. And also, God forbid, if there's any type of fire, there's also the sprinkler, which is very important. The sprinkler system is right up there. Okay, my camera is not focusing. Bam, it's right up there. Okay, so that's perfect, which I think is very important when you move into an apartment you should have. So walking down, it's not a big hallway, so you just go down here. This is the closet. I honestly don't want to show the closet. It's such a mess, but that's what y'all gonna see for the closet, because that closet is a hot mess. But we're gonna go to the bathroom. The bathroom is this way. This is the bathroom that comes with the room. Okay, I'll show y'all partial because the bathroom is a mess as well. But this is the bathroom right here. I like the 2 lights up there. Okay. And yeah, this is how the bathroom looks. Pretty much we put all our stuff here, which is a mess as well, and everything. So pretty much the room is attached with the bathroom, which is good because I love the fact that the room is attached with the bathroom, because we need to make sure we get up and use the restroom, because I don't like going to use the other restroom, which my kids usually mostly use that bathroom. Okay, so I'll completely show the bathroom one day when it's not a mess. Okay, all right. So thank you for watching this video. This was just like an unfurnished luxury tour. If you want more from me, you just click the link below and basically hit that bell, subscribe, and also leave a comment. Thank you for watching. You have a nice day. Bye.